Hi! In front of me is Realme 11 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now you can click on your photos in order to add them, or select Gallery section and pick them from here. This time though, you need to choose Add at the top right corner. You can also tap on Gallery, then tap on Folders. Hold one of your pictures that you wish to add, and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!